YouTube family, and welcome back to another video. Today we are making some pumpkin punch with Irish mash or sea moss. You know, some people call it Irish mash, some people call it sea moss. So I have here the boiled pumpkin. So I boil it with some cinnamon leaf to extract that flavor. You don't know what cinnamon leaf is. You don't know cinnamon leaf smell good already. If you don't make cornmeal porridge or any type of porridge and you are Jamaican or you come from the Caribbean, you don't know about cinnamon leaf. Alright? So first you add the boiled pumpkin into the blender. It is soft, guys, but you can, mash it up. If you want to remove the skin from the pumpkin, you can do that. We went ahead and washed the skin, so if you want to leave the skin on it, you can leave the skin on it, and if you want to remove the skin, you can do it. It's a personal preference, right? I'll also put a link in the top right corner on some pumpkin punch videos that I have made during the past that is slightly different from this one, right? So you just remove the pumpkin and add so here I'm also going to use some of the water, not a lot, just a little bit, guys. So we have here the Irish mash or the sea moss. I have a video also uploaded on our channel how to make the Irish mash or sea moss from scratch. So I'll place a link in the top right corner as well. I'm going to go ahead and add some Supplegen. If you have Ensure, you can use the Ensure. So I add about half. I'm going to also add 2 ripe bananas. This is how the sea moss looks. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. Gonna add some vanilla, about 1 tablespoon of vanilla, some salt to taste. I'm also going to go ahead and add some honey, right? So we're gonna add the honey for the sweetening purpose, for the sweetening aid, to add that, right, nice and golden. Right, lovely. So we have about half can of Supplegen. I'm going to go ahead and pour it out, pour all of it out, and then I'm going to blend until smooth. So we're gonna hit smooth. Look at that, guys. Take a look. Lovely. Hear that? Very thick, smooth, and creamy. I'm going to taste it to see if we need to add more honey. Guys, it don't want nothing else. It's okay. Don't need nothing else. The banana that we add is just amazing. It's just neutral. You don't need, it's not too sweet, and it's not too fresh. It is just ideal. The little honey that we had, as well as the banana, the natural sugar in the banana, guys, you just put the icing on the cake. We don't need nothing else. That we just share for a glass and show no what I want. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, guys. Subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. Leave a comment down below and let us know what other punch or natural juice you would like us to make in this series, right? Hit the thumbs up button to show your support that you like what you see and you enjoy the video. So I'm just going to give it a little bit more blend. Although it's okay, I'm just going to whip it up for about 5 seconds. Why it tastes good. Who do that? Chef T? Alright, with that, our thick, creamy and delicious pumpkin punch with Irish mash or sea moss. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Look at that, lovely. You could add an ice if you prefer, but I'm going to drink it just like this. Let me taste what I got. Tastes so good, guys. Guys, you should check this out. Check out this one. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more recipes like this, click this playlist for more.